Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best evergreen shrubs that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Evergreen Shrubs. If your garden doesn't have flowering shrubs, you're missing out. Annuals and perennials are important, but shrubs have a big job to do. They attract pollinators, provide screening and privacy, and brighten up the garden with colorful blooms throughout the season. Most shrubs thrive for years without too much work on your part. And with today's smaller yards and gardens. Number 5. Japanese Boxwood 20 Live Plants Evergreen Shrub. This compact evergreen shrub produces inconspicuous white flowers in spring. In the winter, its oval leaves turn golden to bronze. Matures to 4 to 6 feet. Main features: maximum health and hardiness. Mature root system. Quite easy to grow. Number 4. Green Mountain Boxwood 10 Live Plants Evergreen Shrub. Use as a hedge or prune to a variety of formal forms. Create a knot garden or leave as a standalone specimen around foundations. Main features: excellent year-round hedge. Naturally deer-resistant. Lightly acidic soils. Number 3. Wintergum Korean Boxwood Evergreen Shrub. This compact evergreen shrub produces inconspicuous white flowers in spring. Among the hardiest of boxwoods, in the winter, it maintains dark green velvety foliage. Main features: small-leaved boxwoods. Mature root system. Matures to 3 to 5 feet. Number 2. Gold Splash Winter Creeper Live Evergreen Shrub. The cheerful variegated foliage maintains its color all year long, and is accented by persistent fruit in the fall. Main features: partial to full sun required. 1-gallon shrubs are 6 to 14 inch. 18 to 24 inches tall and wide at maturity. Number 1. 1-gal Sprinter Boxwood Buxus Live Evergreen Shrub. Proven Winners Boxwoods are raised by expert growers in Proven Winners greenhouses in southeast Michigan. Main features: tolerate sun or shade. 1-gallon shrubs are 6 to 14 inch. 2 to 4 feet tall and wide at maturity. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.